Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. Retinol is a powerful ingredient for skin renewal. Begin by applying a pea-sized amount of a low concentration, perhaps 0, 25% or 0, 5%, 2 to 3 nights a week. Always apply it to clean, dry skin before your moisturizer. Remember, consistency is key, and always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 during the day to protect your skin. Hyaluronic acid is a fantastic hydrator, attracting moisture to your skin. For best results, apply it to damp skin right after cleansing, both in the morning and at night. This helps the product draw water into your skin more effectively. After applying, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in all that wonderful hydration, leaving your skin feeling plump and supple. Vitamin C is an antioxidant powerhouse, brightening your complexion and protecting against environmental damage. It's best applied in the morning after cleansing, before your sunscreen. Choose a serum with a concentration between 10% and 20% L-ascorbic acid for effective results. Proper storage in a cool, dark place is crucial to prevent oxidation and maintain its efficacy. Combining these ingredients can truly transform your skin. In the morning, start with vitamin C, then hyaluronic acid, and finish with your SPF. At night, after cleansing, apply your retinol, wait a few minutes, then follow with hyaluronic acid and a good moisturizer. This routine maximizes benefits while minimizing irritation. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.